Oh my god, you guys. I cannot believe it. I have got the email from YouTube. Finally, my subscribers, I have got my YouTube channel monetized. Right now, I am working on air. I am extremely happy. I am super ecstatic. Wait a second, guys. Working on air? What does it mean? As you can see, I am working on the ground. እንደምታዩኝ መሬት ላይ ነው አይደል እየተራመድኩ ያለሁት? ነገር ግን ምን አልኳችሁ? Right now I am working on air አልኳችሁ። In addition to that, as you can see, gravity is still working. So, why did I use I am working on air? Hello everybody. Welcome back to Learn English with Gaetana. Today, in this video, we are going to look at one of the most beautiful and expressive idioms in the English language. If you want to stop repeating the word happy a million zillion times, you are in the right place. Let's get into it. But first of all, let's take a seat. እስኪ አረፍ እንበልና ስለ walking on air ለጥቂት ደቂቃ እናውራ። Alright guys, I have already taken my seat. Now it's time to discuss the idiom to be walking on air. Alright, so what does it mean to be walking on air? If someone says, I am walking on air, what does it mean? And so, I am walking on air ካላችሁ ትርጉሙ ምንድን ነው? If you understand it literally, you are wrong. በቀጥታ ተርጉማችሁ ከተረዳችሁት ትክክል አይደላችሁ። Okay? Walking on air ማለት በአየር ላይ መራመድ ማለት አይደለም። Okay? So, if someone is walking on air, what does it mean? Look, simply to be walking on air means to be extremely happy. For example, when something incredible happens to you, like passing national exams, getting married, getting engaged, getting promotion, getting your YouTube channel monetized, winning a prize, or winning a free scholarship, how does your body feel? I think your body feels light, and also your body feels full of joy. So that is exactly where the idiom comes from. So briefly, if someone is walking on air, that means he is extremely happy because something has happened to him or her. How can we use the idiom walking on air in a sentence? First of all, let's look at the following 3 sentences. The first one is, I am walking on air. The second one is, she is walking on air. And the last one is they are walking on air. Therefore, from these three sentences, we can understand that the idiom walking on air can be conjugated with be verbs. ከነዚህ ከሶስቱ አረፍተ ነገሮች ምን እንረዳለን? walking on air የሚለው ፈሊጣዊ አነጋገር ከቢ ቨርቦች ጋር ሊዋቀር ይችላል ነው። I think you know what be verbs are. Please pause the video and write the be verbs down in the comment section below. Alright, first of all, as you know, am is a be verb. That means we can say, I'm walking on air. The next one is also a be verb. That means we can say, is walking on air. The third one is are. As you know, are is a be verb. That means we can say, are walking on air. The next one is was. As you know, was is the past of is and am. So we can say, was walking on air. And the next one is were. Were is also used before walking on air. That means we can say, were walking on air. Alright, let's see more example sentences. Yesterday, I was walking on air. What does it mean? ምን ማለት ነው? ያ ማለት አየር ላይ ወክ እያረኩ ነበር ማለት ነው? አይደለም። ምን ማለት ነው? ትናንትና በጣም ደስተኛ ነበርኩኝ ማለት ነው። The next one is now I am walking on air. As you can see, I am not walking, I am sitting. That is why that I told you, if you understand it literally, you are incorrect, you are wrong. ተቀምጫለሁ አሁን እየተራመድኩኝ አይደለም። ነገር ግን I am walking on air ካልኳችሁ አየር ላይ እየተራመድኩ ነው ማለት አይደለም። ምንድነው ማለት ነው? I am extremely happy ማለት ነው። The next one is my colleagues were walking on air. What does it mean? That means my colleagues were extremely happy. My colleagues were super ecstatic. ያ ማለት የሥራ ባልደረቦቼ በጣም ደስተኞች ነበሩ ነው። The next one is if you support me, I will be walking on air. Okay? If you support me, I will be walking on air. As you can see, before walking on air, there is be. As you know, be is also a be verb. And the next one is the students are walking on air because they have passed the national exam. So, what does it mean? That means the students are extremely happy ማለት ነው። ተማሪዎቹ the students are walking on air ካልኩኝ ያ ማለት ተማሪዎቹ በአየር ላይ ወክ እያደረጉ ነው ማለት አይደለም። ምን ማለት ነው? ተማሪዎቹ በጣም ደስተኛ ናቸው ማለት ነው። All right. So, you understand me? Briefly, to be walking on air means to be extremely happy. ለምንድን ነው እንደዚህ የምለፈው? ዝም ብዬ ሃፒን አልጠቀምም እንደ ምናምን ልትሉ ትችላላችሁ። But if you want to sound more natural when you speak, it is advisable to use idiomatical expressions. Alright, so let me stop here. Now it's your turn to practice. I am going to ask you a question and you are going to write your answer down in the comment section below. Here is my question. When was the last time you were walking on air? የኔ ጥያቄ ይሄ ነው። መቼ ነው በህይወታችሁ ለመጨረሻ ጊዜ ደስተኛ የሆናችሁበት ቀን ወይም ዕለት? Please let me know in the comment section below. That is all that I have for today. I hope you have enjoyed my lesson. If you want to master more idiomatical expressions with me, don't forget to subscribe to this channel right now. In addition, whenever you watch my videos, please leave your likes. And don't forget to share this video with your friends who are learning English language. Thank you so much for watching. Keep practicing. I will see you in the next video. Bye.